black and white zebra pattern stripes, but only on their legs, even though they look like that, a copies, mostly related to a giraffe. They got a giraffe-shaped skull, giraffe-like ears, even the foot-long purple tongue like a giraffe too. Said to be much simpler to clean your own ears out with the tongue like that. Right, Minnie Mice?
It's eating in the. It's back there.
Watering holes, they are the oasis for these animals to come down in the hot sunny days, grab a drink.
You can start seeing it.
Though in the forest, the animals that live here don't have to worry too much about the big cats of the savannah coming around.
Wow, that's amazing.
Plenty of places.
He's saying hi.
There was a rhino over that ledge to the left, but it walked away.
Oh, it's over there.
Oh, maybe a little further up. Let's move up. Black rhino, it can be 3,000 pounds. Oh, there's an antelope next to you, too. It's like an inch thick.
Oh, look, Camille, we can get a nice view here. You got it? Mm-hmm.
Pelican colonies, known for their teamwork. They'll jump into river collectively like a team, kind of helping herd schools of fish. Right on up to the shallow, the snatch up and feed. The Swahili word harambee even means teamwork. Any hippos? Nature. No, it's pronounced nature. That's how you said it, right? Yes. Explanation. All right. She's hiding her baby. How do you know if she's hiding it?
There it is.
Someone said they saw a baby down there. This person in front row said so. Oh, behind a rock, front row say.
Yes.
I thought you saw it. You just said it was behind a rock. Well, here's the crocodiles below. Probably some 20-footers after eating one. Of course, the difference in those variations on those patterns help the research teams identify subspecies. And with the recent barcode technology, able to identify individual zebras amongst those herds. In the wild, right, gazelles? During that drought, it's the largest mammal migration on the planet. Usually it's the birds or the insects that travel by the millions at once.
All the horses. The turtle. Over there, alive? Look, Camille, you can get a better picture from back here.
All right, a couple more over this way too.
I got a.
Yeah, there's a couple young mandrills in that colony right now too. Sounds like you found some of them. Well, the large bull, a couple of them, yeah. Yeah, the brown antelope over there is bontebok. The shaggy gray antelopes are the water bucks.
Rhino.
If you want to see the ostrich eggs as well, down low to the right, 3 pounds each. Hiding a bit. The white rhino is back there. At least one of them. Is there more than one? 5,000 pounds they can be. Gosh, they are hiding way back there. Thank you, front row. Well, maybe you did see the baby hippo before. You got quite the eyes. Man, yes, redemption.
I don't know about this. Stay over there. Stay over there.
Yo, relax. Take some cool pictures. It's a rare sight to be this close to one. They're mostly endangered species. Hunted many generations for those horns by poachers. Selling rhino horn on those markets for materialistic purpose and false medicines. Wow, hanging out with us. Look at that. He's like, thank you for noticing me. Nobody else did. There's actually a cheetah or two hiding straight ahead to the left as well. Cheetah, they kind of lay low and flat to the ground over there, trying to blend in with those spots. Fastest of the land mammal though. 60 miles per hour when they track down their prey though. The rhino's favorite hangout is down that little path on the left there. Probably gonna leave us now. Their home is that. Thanks.